You don't know
All right.
anything about it, right?
No, I know absolutely nothing. I'm going in completely blind here.
Good.
Yo, I got a drone?
Yeah.
Wait, how do I fly it? Of course. Dear Mom, I am hiding in rooms but have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Clara like me. Monster, me, Clara. Oh,
Literally.
battery. Oh, another battery.
Nice.
I'm traversing. What the hell?
Look, there you go. You're Joni.
Press the button. Thank you. And I press that button too. Go in there. Yeah, go on. Yeah, go get him. Yeah, go get him, buddy.
He goes fast.
Woo! That's what I was talking about. Go kick his ass. Go get him. Whoa. Oh, it's like Squid Game. Yo, it's Squid Game. Oh, this thing looks disgusting. Find eggs to feed? Okay. I'll find your eggs. Oh, wait, another eggie. Yo. What was it? The bass drum. Now, drone. Attack. Do it. Yeah, bro. Oh, he dropped me an eggie. All right.
I think that's your 4th egg now.
Oh, wait. Oh, yo, hidden eggie. Thought you could hide from me. Little. Can I. Why? Why can I grab? Thank you. Oh, and then the last eggie. And then I'm going to grab it, and then the birds are going to fucking vanish and eat me or something dumb like that. Yeah, I see your tricks. I see your games. All right. I'm ready for it. Is that a gun? What
It was a key card.
Oh. That's not what I thought would happen. But I'm kind of glad it happened. Oh. What do I have a hammer for? I didn't see it. Distraction at 1.
He's stuck
Dude,
behind a pillar.
I hate this. I hate this drone. Whoa!
Whoa!
Wait, they're gonna bug out the game like this. Hang on.
You probably can.
Alright, come on, drone. Oh! Bloody prince! Drone! Come on! Thank you. Over there, drone. What the heck? I actually said I just spooked you. I won't even lie. Oh, wait. OPILA bird says laughter is the best medicine. So make sure to smile. Drone! Come on! My drone doesn't want to listen.
He's stuck.
Alright, fine, drone. I'll do it without you. What is my color? Oh, wait. Oh, god dang it. I wasn't paying attention to that. Oh, wait, no. This guy's green. Yeah, this guy is pink. This guy's orange. Okay, so now it's just figuring out what the heck these things are. Oh, wait, no. This guy was red. Yeah, this is a red guy. You're a red guy. Oh, there's white. Okay, so you're white. Okay, no, I got it. I figured it out. I figured out the puzzle. Damn, I'm a smart bro. Like, I'm a genius. What are you? Wait, did I not get it? Did I miss one?
Do you want a hint on which one is wrong?
It has to be this dumb thing, right?
Yeah.
Wait, what? I got it?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, I was kind of guessing here. Woo! Ooh. I alone want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone have party without me. Miss Manson, see me but go. I'm scared because hole is loud and my friends scream in but bird is tummy. Okay. Ah! Oh my god! Hi! Holy shoe! Hi!
You might want to leave.
Wait, why? What you gonna do, bitch? What? What? Oh, what? Oh, you gonna walk up me? Oh, I'm so scared. Ooh. Ah! Oh, wait, no! Oh, damn! Wait! Ah! Ah! Oh, wait, I fell.
Bruh.
Oh, wait, I was like, wait, I wasn't ready, bro. So wait, when does the bird come over?
If you look in front.
Oh! Stop. No, stop it.
I think
Thank
what
you.
makes the bird like kind of like creepy is that it kind of moves irregularly. Like you can't tell like which way it's gonna go.
Brown. Thanks.
You see what I mean? Like it moves weirdly.
Oh, I'm running. Oh, he going. He's zooming. Stop!
Ooh. He got close.
Dumb bird. Where my drone friend at? Come here, drone. We're getting out of here. I hate this drone. Drone, I need you. Hmm? Boarding pass? Drone, turn on. Tried your hardest. Smash. Dang it. Well, it's not that, so I could just... Wait a minute. Ha ha! Drone hit that button. What? The heck, bro? What? Where even am I? Is this like a kid's place? Like, I don't
think
even
it
know where I
is. I
am.
think it's meant to be like a kid's play place or like a daycare.
This is a daycare.
It says kindergarten, but it doesn't look like your average kindergarten.
How ironic. I work at a daycare. What the? Well, drone, we ain't in Kansas anymore. That's a Wizard of Oz reference. Drone, where are you going? Drone? Buddy? Drone? Buddy? Drone? What the hell?
He boy bead.
Oh, bro. Hey, huh? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, shy! Hi! That's a big head. Oh! Oh, you're fucking huge! Oh my god, he's large. I was not expecting him to be so large. What the heck? That's it. I died.
And that's the end.
That's the end of the game?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really short. Wait, then what was that other room? Could I go in that other one or no?
I don't think so.
Oh, man. Hey, well, it was interesting, I guess.
The only thing is, I don't understand like how much hype it got. Like people are like, "Oh, it's better than Poppy Playtime." Like, really? I don't think so.
I was gonna say, I don't know about that. Poppy's was longer.
Yeah.
And it's interesting. I'll give it that. But I don't know Poppy's face. I don't know.
But this game is like really popular right now. They have merch already.
Oh, no way. Hang on. Let me buy the merch. All right, we at the merch store. All right, Sam, which one do you want? What do you want, Sam?
$50.
Yeah. All right, which one do you want, Sam?
I want the OPILA bird one, the white shirt.
You're
Oh, it
right.
comes in different colors. Okay, but they have 4X, but don't have an extra small. That makes sense.
What's an XT? And why is it out of stock?
Maybe they don't sell it.
$26,000. You're right, Sam. You want more, huh? I got you. I'm being a
Yeah.
greedy friend.
That's
I'll,
2 million.
I would just. That's $3 million. I would just be funding the game by this point. If I bought 3 million shirts, they wouldn't even be able to give me 10 or what is that? 100,000 shirts? Yeah, they wouldn't be able to give me 100,000 shirts for $3
Just
million.
do
dollars.
the afterpay, do it in payments.
And pay split payments of 4. Oh yeah, of course, $1 million every 2 weeks. Fuck out of here. My one complaint this game wasn't in 2K.